You weren't supposed to watch this video, so count yourself lucky to have found this. As you keep watching until the end, you'll understand why. What you're about to learn is contraband or a weapon, a set of knowledge men have whispered about, but never dared to put in writing like this. The knowledge you're receiving today is not just some plain vanilla dating advice. It's not about compliments, flowers, or nice guy approval seeking. Those belong to some weak sauce pickup artist or guru channel elsewhere, not here. Instead, what you're going to learn is the art of control. You'll discover little-known secrets of using control to slip past a woman's defenses, to crack open her emotions, and to enslave her heart and mind until she has lost the desire to leave you, if ever. Shogun Method practitioners call this art of control the Forbidden Four. These are the 4 steps to making a girl fall in love from start until the endgame of emotional enslavement. And the truth is harsh. Most men are too soft to use these 4 Shogun Method techniques. They don't have the steel balls to pull this through like real men. They'd rather remain pawns friend-zoned, ghosted, and ignored than wield what I'm about to give you. But you're still here, which means you're ready to receive the precious knowledge of Shogun Method. So, open the book and step inside. Here are the 4 definitive steps to making a girl fall head over heels in love with you. Step 1. Intrigue, or the first cut. Forget first impressions, because that's for amateurs and wannabes. As I teach in Shogun Method at shogunmethod.com, the first move is the first incision, cutting open her inner psyche for you to invade. Most men show up like clowns, juggling their job, their hobbies, their high-value lifestyle, begging for approval. Women spot the act instantly and toss them aside like rubbish. But you're different. As a shogun, you've learnt to cut through her defenses with intrigue. Intrigue pings are short and surgical conversational lines crafted to bypass logic and hit her subconscious curiosity like a blade. They force her to chase meaning, to lean forward, to want more from you. With intrigue pings, you never tell her who you are. Instead, you let her bleed for answers from you, and that's how the first wound is made. Step 2. Rapport, or binding the wound. With the first cut made, you now push deeper into the incision. This is where most men screw up. They think rapport is talking about common interests, or pretending to be interested. As any seasoned shogun will tell you, faking interest is downright pathetic. Real rapport is blood bonding. It's about digging into her fears, her traumas, her unspoken desires. It's pulling the poison out of her heart so she feels exposed, but in a good way. That contrast binds her tighter than any surface-level interest ever could, and once the bond is set, she can't escape. Step 3. Attraction, or chaos as fuel. Here's where the fire starts. As a shogun, you already know that attraction doesn't come from comfort, but from chaos. You push, then pull. You're warm, then cold. You praise, then challenge her. You give her the world, then snatch it back from her palms. This unpredictability drives her insane. She obsesses over you because her brain can't resolve the contradiction. She'll say she hates it. She'll claim she wants stability, but her actions betray her. Women are slaves to chaos. They absolutely desire it, even as they deny it. And the man who commands chaos commands her desire, emotionally and sexually. Step 4. Emotional enslavement, or the addiction lock. This is the final stage, the endgame of any worthwhile relationship. Knowing how to emotionally enslave a woman separates amateurs from the true operators. You'll know this if you've been in the game for long. Attraction and desire fades. Infatuation can only burn for so long, but addiction lasts forever. Emotional enslavement is the process of rewiring her nervous system until her emotional survival is tied to you. When a woman is emotionally enslaved to you, she's bound to you forever. Shogun Method is probably the only place in the world right now to learn the art of emotional enslavement. Inside Shogun Method lies the biggest cornerstone of enslavement, the grand strategy of fractionation. With fractionation, you drag her up to emotional peaks and slams her into valleys, again and again, until she loses all sense of stability. Her only anchor is you, and that's why she clings onto you like her life depends on it. Once the addiction is set, her love is no longer a choice, but a compulsion. And when she looks at you, She doesn't just see a man. She sees her jailer of hearts, her savior, her obsession, and her master. Okay, we're nearing the end of the video, and so let's wrap up. In this video, you've learned from me the Forbidden Four, the art of making a girl fall in love with you in 4 stages: intrigue, rapport, attraction, and emotional enslavement. Understand this. The Forbidden Four is not for everyone. Weak men should turn back now. They'll never have the stomach to wield this blade. They'll keep playing safe, waiting for scraps of affection, dying in the shadows of stronger men. And of course, there will always be disgusting scumbags wanting to use this knowledge to hurt women. I'm not worried about this at all because for Shogun Method to work, one has to have purity of heart. Shogun Method is guardrailed by the goodness of the divine, and whoever tries to abuse it will always fail. Trust me on this. So, here's the deal. Shogun Method is only for the righteous and the strong, and so if you're neither, you should probably stop watching now because this knowledge is not for you. But if you are one of the righteous and the strong, believe me, you've only seen the surface layers of this precious knowledge. What lies beneath the deep vault seals the lock and makes her yours forever. The good news is that I've opened the vault for you at the Shogun Method online masterclass at fractionation.org. Find the link in the comments section below this video. Cross the threshold if you dare, but be warned. Once you step inside, there's no going back. Either enter now or walk away forever. fractionation.org